Guys, is VideoProc Vlogger the best video choice for beginners? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scene for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, I've used and reviewed a ton of different video editing software packages, from very basic to complex and expensive. Now, depending on your needs, there are so many choices out there, and that's okay if you're a seasoned editor. But for those of us starting out, where do we go? Let's face it, most of us are making videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. We're not really making big cinematic movies, and the content is the important factor, not the journey, and sometimes the pain of editing it. Wouldn't it be great if there was something powerful, easy, and free? Well, VideoProc Vlogger is all of that. Now, VideoProc reached out to me and asked me if I would make this video. But as you know, you'll always get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So first of all, let's take a quick look at some of what you can achieve with this cool software. So as soon as you go to the VideoProc website, there you have the free software Vlogger. You can download this, install it to your computer, and you're good to go. So the first time you fire this up, it runs a benchmark to see what your computer hardware is capable of. Mine seems pretty good for everything, all the compression, all the different formats, so that's pretty cool. Then you have the interface. Now, for you editors out there, this interface is going to seem pretty familiar. For you guys that are newer to video editing, you have your area where you add your media, you have your main screen, and at the bottom you have your video track and overlay track. You also have an effects track, an audio track, and a subtitle track. And don't worry, you can add more of these if you need to. Across the top, you've got the media library tab, you've got your transitions tab where there are a ton of different transitions. You have a title section, which is pretty self-explanatory, and some pretty cool effects. Now, there are going to be a bunch of different capabilities in this package, and for this first video, I'm going to just show you the basics. If of course you have any comments or questions about anything, please just leave them in the comments section below and I will try and answer them. So, I've loaded some clips and I have them all in my timeline. I've added an audio track, some effects. This one is a kind of glitch effect and the other is a magnifier. I have put some transitions in and some fake camera moves, as well as some speed ramps. I've also added a title and a credit. Now, looking at some of these features in detail, let's start with a three-way split screen. This is quite a common look in a lot of videos. To get this effect, you'll need to create a couple of extra overlay tracks and drag the clips that you want onto the timeline on those tracks and position them how you want them. Use the crop tool to size them. I'm going to use 9:16. Drag the clips where you want them and there you go. Another common task in video editing is colour grading. One of my three-way split clips is drone footage and it kind of looks a little washed out. I can open the colour tool and make some adjustments, and there you go, much more vibrant. Now let's take a closer look at speed ramping. There's a bunch of speed ramps running through this video clip that I've created, but here is a clip of my drone dropping out of the sky. By adding a small speed ramp from the presets, it makes it look much more dynamic. And lastly, I'm going to fade out my music tracks by adjusting the fade out slider on the audio track. And now let's take a quick look at the finished video. Pretty cool, eh? Oh, and the coolest thing is this took less than 10 minutes and everything is free. So no watermark when you export, no downscaled resolution. In fact, you can pick your resolution and your frame size for either normal or social media type videos. And it really is free. And that's why VideoProc Vlogger is the best choice for beginners. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. There are a ton of features that I didn't have time to go through. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to VideoProc. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. And guys, one last thing, if you're stuck for how to use this software at all, the VideoProc Vlogger YouTube channel has a ton of useful videos that show you absolutely everything you need to get the most out of this software. So check it out. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.